Welcome to my channel. My name is New Name Trading. I have a lot to offer here. I live stream Monday through Friday on this YouTube channel completely for free. I have full backtest sessions. I even have YouTube videos to all take you to profitability. But the fastest shortcut and the fastest way to do that is get into my mentorship. In every video I post, it is followed with a hook, providing value. Then I push my mentorship. I'm just gonna be real with you. You can still be profitable without joining the mentorship, but avoid all the years of struggling. It's so cheap right now. It's lifetime access. Take advantage of it. Getting rid of my face here and showing you what I have to offer. What happens in the mentorship? I make you profitable by helping you master a mechanical strategy. And I even trade live on YouTube Monday through Friday. The mentorship comes with a free course that is so awesome. This is everything that's in the course. And obviously you get access to the VIP mentorship channel. And I send more than just videos, even drawings to get you to really understand the strategy. And that's it. Give my entire YouTube channel a look, give everything a look, give the mentorship a look. Get into the free Discord. I have so much to offer. Just take advantage of it. And yeah, I appreciate you. And that's it. Okay, goodbye.